Hi everybody, I have a message to share with you in Hebrews 6 verse 10. For God is not unrighteous to forget your work and labor of love, which you have showed toward his name, in that you have ministered to the saints and do minister. So that is the message of the Lord for you today, that God is not unrighteous to forget your works. He is always thinking about of what you have done in his sight. He remembers your works. He remembers your duty. He remembers your pain. He remembers your labor. God is showing you a bow. God is showing you a rainbow of his promises. Some of you have seen it in your eyes personally. Some of you have seen it in a vision. Some of you have seen it in a dreams. And that is the sign that God will fulfill his promise in your life. God showed it for you with a purpose. God showed it because he will fulfill what he have promised in your life. God doesn't want you to be rushed in fulfilling his promises. God is still processing it for you. God is still on the work for you. God is still on the process. God is still moving to work for it. He wants you to be patient. He wants you to trust in him. Your kingdom assignment is coming, and you need to be patient for now. You need to endure. You need to meditate more of his words. You need to plan more. What you're going to do for his kingdom. You have to walk in his will. You have to be near to him. You have to draw closer to him. You must keep on watching. You must keep on studying his words. You must not be drowsy. Just keep your eyes open, for God will entrust you some visions. For God is going to use you. Don't be intimidated. With your past. Don't be rash. Forget your past. Don't be mad. Keep on doing the will of God. Just keep on being joyful. Just keep on walking in the truth. of the words of God. Just keep on relying to God. Just keep on walking in His Word. Thanks for watching my video and God bless you all. Bye.